In this video, we're going to have a quick reminder of the divisibility testing that we looked at and how to find the right number as the product of its prime factors. So, first three divisibility tests, which I can see can it be divided by 2, will be able to be divided by 2 if it ends in a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Is it divisible by 5? It is if it ends in a 0 or 5. Is it divisible by 10? Yes, it is if it ends in a 0. Is it divisible by 3? Only if its digit sum is also divisible by 3. We'll look at an example of that in a moment. And is divisible by 9 if its digit sum is also divisible by 9. So looking at the number below, 3,486, the digit sum for that, 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 6, 3, 7, 15, 21. Well, 21 is divisible by 3, so the number is divisible by 3. However, it's not divisible by 9, so you cannot divide that by 9 and get a whole number answer. Remember, we could also say that 9 is not a factor. Now, that's helpful when we look at product of prime factors. So 520, we know that can be divided by 10 because it ends in a 0. So we put 10 there, and then it's 10 times 52. 10 can be divided by 2, and then that gives us 5. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 2 is prime, 5 is prime, we circle them. 52 is even, ends in a 2, so we can divide it by 2, and we get 26. 26 is even, it can then be divided by 2, it gives us 2 and 13. 2 is still prime. 13, however, cannot be divided by 2 or 5 or 10. It doesn't end in 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. 1 plus 3 is 4, so it can't be divided by 3. And it doesn't divide by 7. Now 13 is prime, so our answer here, 520, would be 2 times 5 times 2 times 2 times 13, which we could also write as 2 to the power of 3 times 5 times 13. That's our quick reminder.